Hey, good morning. This is Bob and Ryan with Surface Renew. We're here this morning reviewing a recent Travertine restoration job we did. I want to ask Ryan to start out, what are some things that you're hearing from customers, some complaints or problems they're having with their Travertine floors that we can take care of?
The number one problem that we hear from Travertine floors is the fact that it's such a porous stone that it stains really easy when it's not sealed on a yearly basis. Being a porous stone, it's a lot like Swiss cheese when it comes from the factory, and they come in and they factory fill these tiles or the big slabs with, you can see these lighter dots here. Those wear and pop in time, and then throughout the life of the tile, every year those need to be filled back in and sealed. Another thing you have is a scratching from foot traffic and heavy traffic. If it's not sealed every year or maintained, you're going to get in these pores, it's going to get dark, and if you wait too long, it'll go too far to where we cannot restore it.
Okay, great. And that also creates problems from foot traffic with having an even shine then too?
That's correct. Like on this one here, this is factory honed. Some people like their shiny, some people like it honed. This recent job we just finished is about 5,000 square foot, which you can find in a previous video that we did. It was a uniform honed finish like this that went 20 years without any, they hadn't sealed it, cleaned it, or anything in 20, I mean, they probably did some mild cleaning like from a home cleaning company, but not professional. So they had just spot staining everywhere. These little pieces were popping out, and the customer wanted a high shine instead of a flat honed finish like this, because they felt that it looked dirty being honed. When you think of shiny, shiny means clean, so they wanted their whole house polished to a high shine.
All right, so if somebody wants to get a hold of us that's having some of these problems, what number can they call?
501-664-8880.
All right, Ryan, we both know there's a lot of competition and different companies that offer these services. What sets Surface Renew apart?
At Surface Renew, on every job we do, we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Our second thing is our lead foreman on every job we do has over 15 years of experience. And the third one is we use 0 subcontractors. We never have a subcontractor in your home. Everyone is an employee of Surface Renew directly.
And if they want to see some pictures, we'll send them out to wepolish.com for more information. We've talked quite a bit about Travertine restoration this morning, but what else can we do as we go into people's homes?
We look at all the other surfaces they have. We clean tile, we clean grout. It can be porcelain tile, ceramic tile, we can clean it as well. We do grout repair, grout maintenance, we seal grout, we also polish concrete, we do terrazzo polishing and restoration, we do any kind of marble natural stone, like if you have white Carrera stone countertops or if you have terrazzo flooring, we can polish all those things.
Great, so call us at 664-8880 for more information.